Hi, my name is Hannes Samro and I am the co-founder of FishFacts. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your own service page. And if you go to the left hand side on the filter, you click on Service Providers. Here on top you can see the button Edit Service Provider, you click on it. And now you are on your service page. First of all, you have to add a picture. You click here. I have created a map here. So cover photo, important, it has to be 1008 times 566 pixel. You click on it. You add a logo. Here you write your website, so it's fishfacts.com, the name of the company, FishFacts, and then a short description about FishFacts, the world's best database. And then you write something about here, get access to unlimited amount of fishing vessels, etc. You click save, and then here you add a branch. So for you can be a fishing gear, bunkers, whatever. For us, let's just say we are machineries and electronics. You add a location, so headquarter, country, the Faroe Islands, address, this is my address, city, Tórshavn 100, save. Then you add a contact person. So here I have a picture, beautiful picture, cool. Name, Hannes Samro, co-founder, my mobile or my phone number, just copy paste here, and email. Here you add a product. So let's say we have a virtual fish expo. Title, welcome to FishFacts. A brief summary, welcome to the world's first virtual fish expo. Book, sign up now. Here you write a longer text, more about the fish expo, but that's up to you. And then you just click publish. You go back either by clicking your FishFacts or the logo. So you can see it's here. And then you go back here, edit, it's saved. You add a video. I have here how to create an event. You just click on it and then you upload it and give it a title. And once that's done, you just click publish, and that's it, you're done. So if you want to have a look where you are, so it's here on the left, service providers, machineries and electronics, and then you go down and here you have FishFacts. So that's how you create your own page. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, Hannes Samro, at hs@fishfacts.fo.